Hey, it's your girl, Mizzleea, coming to you again from MSW Custom Prints. And today, right before we get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button, turn those bell notifications on so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Okay, so we're talking about the Clover Flex today. So if you're in any type of business and you're accepting payments, this is the way to go. Stay tuned. We're going to do the unboxing soon. And I want to talk to you guys today about what are you using to accept payments in your business. This is something that any business owner needs to know, needs to have. And today I'm sharing with you my unboxing of the new Clover Flex device. It's portable. It has its own printer. I mean, it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Anybody can use this for their business, and I'm just a person who's happy to have one. I am no way affiliated with these people, this company. I'm not an ambassador, I'm not endorsing it, but if you do have one of these, please share in the comments below, because I find myself. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and we're going to talk about why something like this is essential for your business. I find that I don't like Square. I don't like Square, but and I'm still a user of PayPal, but now there's so many different ways to accept payments, CASHAPP, all that stuff, and I have all that. But this is, I'm talking to the people with brick and mortar, like you're on the go, you're at events, you're doing shows, events, and you need that all-in-one register where you can accept the payment, print the receipt, email it, text it, with the built-in features and apps. So this is something, like I said, the Clover Flex is the way to go. So let's get into it. So I always use safety first. I just use a little knife, but you know, box cutter would be more suitable. But this is how it comes in the packaging. The paperwork is right on top, and I'm just going to take it out because I like to check my paperwork to make sure it's going to the right person and has the right information on the paperwork. And then once that's fine, which I know it's going to me, it comes with all this little stickers for your register, for your window decals, and a little cleaning cloth. I'll put that to the side. And here's the starter kit. And what comes in the starter kit is your charging base, small. That's a roll of paper, and then your cords to your adapter, and a little tool that you may need to use later. So that's what's in the starter kit. And then I'm going to go ahead and just set this one to the side and open up the next one, which actually has the device in it. And the device it's nice. It comes in white with a rubber sleeve on it. You can see the back here. I'm just turning around so you guys can see. This is portable, handheld. It fits perfectly in my hand. I'm turning it on right now, and once you turn it on, you'll see the Clover on the front screen. But I'm putting a screen protector on it because I like to have a screen protector, but I think it comes with one later, so that I can keep my screen clean. We're going to remove that and then just go ahead and power the device on, because once you power it on, it has to go through like these little checks. It has to download the software to make sure everything is up to date, you know, just like a regular computer or cell phone would. And I'm gonna place this right here so that I can prepare the place so we can take a closer look at it and see how this is operated. Okay, so we have it here. And the boot up process for the first time, it's kind of It's a little lengthy, but it boots on. It has my information already from the bank. They put my company information already there so that you can have like a customized receipt. Again, this is from Clover. If you're just tuning in and watching, right now it's installing updates for the first time use. And I've already put my code in. We're just going to do a test sale. So I'm going to start off with $1 because, you know, just to see how it is. You can leave a tip if you want to. And I'm going to process $1 with my own personal credit card. And just to see, like, if you were giving this to your customer, they would put in their code and the process. I mean, just think about how this is a game changer when you're at events and everything. So it's done. Thank you for your purchase. And boom, look at that. Look at that. That is a receipt printing on the spot. Now you do have the option to email it to them or text it to them, but look at that receipt. That's crazy. So this is a game changer for me. Thumbs up. When I'm done, I have the option to print another receipt for myself, but that's the screen right there, and I'm ready for my next sale. So just going into my transactions, I wanted to see, you know, what I had. If I had any tips, that would show there. Just going through some of the apps on here. I mean, you have plenty more that you can get because they have like an app store that's just like a cell phone, and many different features that you can get. But I'm just gonna stick to the basics. That's a camera, actually a camera. I guess that's like if you have products and you wanted to scan the barcode, you can do that. So. And right now it's finishing installing the first time download of apps. So just follow the instructions when you get it. And it was brought to my attention, let me go back a little bit, to installing the paper. So this right here, it is like a hands-on screen that will help you install the paper in the back of the device. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just follow the instructions for the people who were asking about the paper installation. So tell me how you felt about that. I mean, I know some of you guys already have the Clover Flex and maybe already use it in your business, but let me know how you feel about that. I mean, is it something that I should invest more in? Do you think it's a flop or drop? Keep or throw or toss. Let me know how something like this is benefiting you and how you're using it in your business, and if it's worth the money you think. So let me know. To me, I'm gonna keep it, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, into the next video.